Interesting facts from the world of intellectual property. Check your knowledge and have fun. Let's start. Fact 1. Do you know what the most valuable brand in the world is? Apple. Currently, its estimated brand value is about $355 billion. The second most valuable brand is Amazon, which is stepping on Apple's toes with a brand value equal to $350 billion. Fact 2. Do you know any of the earliest registered trademarks? One of the earliest known trademarks is the Bass Ale Triangle, which started to be displayed on beer bottles in 1882. You can see it in the painting A Bar at the Folies Bergère by Edouard Manet. Celebrating the band's place in history, in 2013, Bass Pale Ale was renamed Bass, trademark number 1. Fact 3. Can a company register a color? For example, could Milka register its purple color as a trademark and thus prohibit others from using the same shade of purple for chocolate? Potentially, yes. In this case, the applicant must prove that the consumers associate the color with goods and services originating from a specific company. Although proving this can be difficult in practice, there are a few colors that have been registered as trademarks. For example, Tiffany Blue and Barbie Pink. Fact 4. Can you trademark sounds? Yes. In addition to iconic sounds like the roar of Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer's Lion, the fanfare of 20th Century Fox, and the sound of opening a Zippo lighter, sounds such as Darth Vader's breathing has been trademarked. Fact 5. Can you guess which country has the most patent grants? The latest data on this topic is dated 2020. According to statistics, in China, more than 500,000 patents have been granted to resident and non-resident companies or organizations. The United States is in second place.